We live in a world full of ideas. Our idea, building the next generation entertainment park, which incorporates the most competitive business model and meets with the latest consumer trends like social media implementation and value for money. We present the Yumble. In 2014, our idea will welcome its first visitors when we open the Roermond Yumble in the Netherlands at McArthurGlen's designer outlet Roermond. It currently attracts 4.5 million visitors a year, and with its fourth and last phase opening soon, this number will reach up to 6 million in 2020. And the location is unsurpassed. 16.8 million consumers within a 1-hour drive, with direct access via a 4-lane highway. We believe in the idea that retail should be combined with leisure. There are 5,000 parking places in the outlet area, and the Roermond Yumble is situated just on top of the main parking area. With 400 square meters of LED signing on our facades, every visitor to the designer outlet Roermond will know we're there. We can accommodate up to 2,500 visitors at the same time, offering them the opportunity to experience at least one attraction every 20 minutes. Our main attractions will be based on motion technology, 3D projection, and interactive elements, each of them creating a thrilling virtual reality experience. Our concept is built on the idea that not only our attractions but also our decorations are based on software implementation. Where other theme parks need to build an expensive new attraction to satisfy new expectations, we simply change our theme or content by updating our software. Imagine the endless marketing value of creating appeal year after year. The heart of Yumble will be the interactive Yumble Square. This is the central point where huge projected screens and a hologram stage offer an audio-visual canvas, providing an endless line of possibilities. Here's an idea: interactivity with our audience, letting them be part of the experience. And when you combine this idea with retail and fresh new food and beverage, the possibilities are even greater. Imagine a big themed momentum communicating a strong message directly to our audience. The concept makes it flexible for a wide range of happenings, like corporate parties or product presentations. As you can imagine, all it takes is an idea. Speaking of ideas, what do you think of this one? Imagine the competitiveness of the concept if you operate more than one venue. A European expansion is relatively simple, as already produced software can be used at different locations, and each location retains the freedom to implement its own ideas. Together with our website supporting apps and branding, all will be integrated into a fully interactive multimedia experience. Yumble, our idea, is becoming reality as we speak. We would love to let your ideas come to life as well. The Roermond Yumble, opening in 2014.